Hello, let's talk today about the benefits of Kupwaku. Is Kupwaku good for you? Find out if it is worth using consuming Kupwaku in your day. And yours top 10 health benefits of Kupwaku. Kupwaku, also known as Cupuaçu in Bahia, is the fruit of a tree native to the Amazon, Theobroma grandiflorum, family Malvaceae, a close relative of the cacao tree. The tree is known as Cupuaçu, Cupuaquero, or Cupu. It is a typical fruit of the Brazilian North region, very found in the states of Amapá, Pará, and Amazonas. It is widely used in sweet, sour, and bittersweet cooking by the natives of the Amazon. Greetings and welcome to Nature of the Amazon channel. I ask you to subscribe and activate the bell. Leave yours. Lay to strengthen the channel and share it with your friends and family so they can get to know our history of knowledge. And let's go by video. Features. The tree reaches an average height of 10 to 25 m in the natural environment. In cultivated areas the height varies from 6 to 10. There are references of specimens with up to 20 m. The leaves are long, measuring up to 60 centimeters long and have a rusty appearance on the underside. The flowers are the largest in size in the genus. They are dark red in color. They are present on pedicels that come out at different levels of the main axis, racemo. The fruits have a spherical or ovoid shape and measure up to 25 centimeters in length, having a hard and smooth skin, dark brown in color. The seeds are surrounded by a white, acidic, and aromatic pulp. The fruits appear from January to May and are the largest in the family. Kupwaku contains iron, phosphorus, and proteins necessary for cell formation, participating in the chemical processes that allow the continuation of life. Vitamins C, ascorbic acid, used to prevent colds, infections, and even cancer, improving the immune system and scavenging free radicals. B vitamins, B1, B2, B5, B1, thiamine, anti-stress and muscle toning agent. B2, riboflavin, relieves tired eyes and helps in the formation of red blood cells. B5, pantothenic acid, helps protect the body from antibodies. It also has tannins, which help to prevent inflammation and toxins from the body. Fibers prevent the body from accumulating toxins, prevent fecal dryness, and fight constipation. Kupwaku takes 7 to 8 years to begin to bear fruit. Ground. Firm and deep soils, with good water retention, fertility and good physical constitution, pH between 6.0 and 6.5 are considered ideal for the development of Kupwaku. Seedlings, it can be multiplied through grafting and by seeds. Controversy over intellectual property. In recent years, Kupwaku has been at the center of an international debate on biopiracy. The Japanese company Asahi Foods had its registration for the exclusive use of the Kupwaku name cancelled in the European Union, Japan, and the United States. This result was only achieved after joint efforts by Brazilian NGOs and the Brazilian government, through actions before the Chamber of Deputies and the Federal Senate, against the Japanese company. Uses. Open Kupwaku fruit. With a strong flavor, Kupwaku is commonly used in ice cream, juices and smoothies, which are widely consumed and admired throughout the country. Kupwaku-based sweets are also much admired, such as cream, jams, jellies and soft drinks. Among other important uses are wine, non-alcoholic soft drink, and liqueurs. Kupwaku is also traditionally used as an ingredient in the manufacture of bonbons, which have gained recognition throughout the country. Another relevant use of Kupwaku is in the manufacture of cupulate, which is a product whose flavor is similar to chocolate. In Bolivia, a drink made from Kupwaku is made and sold to several European countries. There are several scientific studies, both in Brazil and abroad, that use Kupwaku seeds and its pulp to treat diseases in the digestive tract. These studies also point to the use of Kupwaku as an antioxidant and as a basis for the development of beauty products. Kupwaku Butter. Kupwaku butter is a triglyceride that has a balanced composition of saturated and unsaturated fatty acids, which gives the product a low melting point, approximately 30 degrees Celsius, and the appearance of a soft solid that melts quickly when in contact with the skin. Kupwaku butter is widely used in the production of cosmetics. Kupwaku butter is an emollient that provides a pleasant touch, softness, and smoothness to the skin, enabling the recovery of moisture and natural elasticity of the skin, especially in dry and maltreated skins. It also contains phytosterols, especially beta-sitosterol, that act at the cellular level, regulating the balance and activity of lipids in the surface layer of the skin. The phytosterols has been used topically in the treatment of dermatitis and conditions by stimulating the healing process. In addition to the food and cosmetic use, new studies have indicated new functionalities of the chemical composition of Kupwaku butter. In the oleochemical industry, Kupwaku butter is being used for the production of synthetic lubricants. In addition, its use in the development of a silicone used for biodegradable fabric softeners was discovered. Scientific classification: Kingdom, Plant, Division, Magnoliophyta. Class: Magnoliopsid. Order: Malvales. Family: Malvaceae. Subfamily: Sterculoideae. Genre: Theobroma L. Species: T. grandiflorum. Binomial name: Theobroma grandiflorum. Wild: X. Spreng. K. Shum. Specification of Kupwaku virgin butter. Feature unit presentation. Appearance: 25C, solid. Color: white to beige. Odor characteristic: acidity level mgKOH/G less than 20.0. Peroxide index 10 milliequivalent O2/Kg less than 10.0. Iodine index Gi2/100 G40 to 50. Saponification index mgKOH/G 180 to 190. Density 25 degrees Celsius G/ml. Refractive index 40 degrees Celsius 1.4563. Unsaponifiable matter, bioactives, %02/mar. Tocopherols mg/kg 128. Total sterols mg/kg 245. Fusion point C 25 to 35. Water absorption % 200 minutes. Composition of fatty acids. Composition of fatty acids 7. Palmitic acid % weight 7 to 12. Stearic acid % weight 28 to 35. Oleic acid % weight 40 to 45. Linolenic acid % weight 3 to 7. Arachidic acid % weight 8 to 13. Behenic acid % weight 1 to 2. Others % weight May 1st. Saturated % 55. Unsaturated % 45. Microbiology. Total bacteria G less than 100/G. Fungi and yeasts G less than 100/G. Top 10 health benefits of Kupwaku. This fruit originates from the Amazon with a velvety skin, white, creamy and very tasty pulp, common in the northern region of Brazil. Discover the benefits now for your health. Kupwaku is extremely beneficial for physical and mental health. It is rich in vitamins A, B and C, fiber, phosphorus and amino acids, helps to prevent inflammation in the body, widely used in sweet cooking and in the production of cosmetics. The 10 health benefits of Kupwaku. 1. Helps weight loss. Fruit assists in metabolic function by increasing the amount of energy in the body, consequently increasing the loss of body fat and preventing its storage. 2. Aids and improves digestion. Due to the large presence of fiber in the fruit, it helps the digestive system by improving intestinal transit and fighting constipation. 3. Fights inflammation. Kupwaku has anti-inflammatory properties, and this makes it a fruit that fights any inflammation that affects the body and also helps in relieving pain. 4. Cancer prevention. Kupwaku has an antioxidant action and acts directly in the prevention of cancer, as it has theobrandins, a powerful antioxidant that destroys colon cancer cells. 5. Decreased cholesterol. The fruit is rich in fatty acids and therefore helps to reduce the levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, in the bloodstream. 6. Works on skin health. It fights free radicals because it contains vitamin C and has antioxidant properties,
Kupwaku helps to maintain healthy skin, also helping in the elasticity of the dermis, hydrating the skin, fighting premature aging, and, in addition, protecting from UVA and UVB rays, acting as a natural sunscreen.
7. Provides energy.
Kupwaku also provides energy to the body, being excellent to consume it before the practice of exercises, and consequently helps in the burning of calories.
8. Satiety.
It has a lot of fiber, and because of that it promotes greater satiety. Ideal to use it when you are on a diet, as it helps with weight loss.
9. Protect the heart.
It acts on the cardiovascular system, protecting the walls of the arteries against damage. It acts preventing heart attacks, hypertension, arteriosclerosis, and strokes. This is one of the most important benefits of Kupwaku.
10. Strengthens the immune system.
Kupwaku is rich in vitamin C, which is very important as it helps the body to fight infections caused by viruses and bacteria. Kupwaku is one of the healthiest and tastiest fruits there is. Include this wonder in your diet and increase your quality of life and that of your family. The benefits are many. For this reason it is a highly recommended fruit for daily consumption. And it can be added to your diet in different ways: jellies, juices, ice creams, sweets, pies, pulps, and others.
For the skin and hair, cosmetics that have Kupwaku as a component can be used. There is Kupwaku in every way. Kupwaku is considered a superfood because it is very nutritious. It is a great ally for health, rich in flavonoids, strong fighter against free radicals. It is therefore very suitable for those who want to take care of their health by eating beneficial foods. Did you like the nature of the Amazon channel? I ask you again to subscribe and activate the bell. Leave yours. Lay to strengthen the nature of the Amazon channel and share it with your friends and family so they can get to know our history of knowledge, and I say goodbye hereby.